Welcome back to the channel. So this is my shack, my setup, and basically I sent a picture of this setup to put on a social for some reason or another a while back, and somebody put in the comments if I got a monitor stand I'd save an awful lot of desk space, like a triple monitor stand. So I did. I bought myself a triple monitor stand, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to install that, hopefully, and see how it goes. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you'll know that other than the radio, the power supply unit, and some other bits and pieces, the majority of all of this has actually been salvaged, repaired, basically gone for free. All the monitors I salvaged. The computer itself I salvaged, although I did have to get a new motherboard for it that I paid for, and a slightly bigger power supply unit. So pretty much this is a shack on a budget. So as you can understand, as you can see, each of these monitors has got its own stand taking up a lot of desk space. So I suppose the first thing to do is get all the monitors off and then start installing the stand. Better get on with it. Do you know what? Thank you to whoever suggested that. I shall leave a screenshot to the comment. So much more space. All of this side's freed up. All of that side's pretty much freed up. And yes, I'm very happy indeed. And I can even put my mic boom, rather than having it on the side of the desk here. I've attached it to the back of the monitor mount. So I just pull this in when I need it and then push it out of the way when I don't. Fantastic. I'll leave a link to the monitor stand that I used, the triple monitor stand. I'll leave a link to that in the description. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing today. I mean, a big shout out to the person actually who suggested getting a triple monitor stand and putting it on the desk here and freeing up some space, because I'll be honest with you, I'm super impressed. I didn't use the clamp system where you clamp it onto the side of the desk. I actually drilled through the desk and made a proper fixed mount for it. But apart from that, yeah, I mean, I've got so much more free space, and yeah, what an absolute space saver. And I can, maybe put another radio there or something else here. Fantastic. Thank you very much. I shall see you in the next video.